Hola, hola mis amores y bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal aquí en Everyday Español. Estoy súper feliz que estés conmigo hoy porque hoy les voy a enseñar 15 diferentes maneras para decir thank you or different ways to say thank you or phrases in Spanish. Why, you might ask? Well, reason for the season, it's Thanksgiving time, so why not teach you a bunch of different phrases that you can say that mean thank you, but it's not just gracias. No more saying gracias. Let's elevate your vocabulary and teach you some new and authentic ways to express your gratitude this year. Starting off with the basics. Yes, I said we're going to move away from gracias, but it's got to be the first one, okay? The first way to say thank you in Spanish is just saying gracias. Another way, muchas gracias, which means like many thanks, but like thanks a lot. Mil gracias literally translates to 1,000 thanks, but it's a more enthusiastic and casual way to say thank you to somebody. For more intense gratitude, when you really want to express how thankful you are, try these. Number 4 being muchísimas gracias, which is like thank you so much. Like it adds that emphasis because it has muchísimas gracias. Número 5, infinitas gracias. Infinite thanks, like infinite thanks, I guess. There's no other way to really say that. I know it sounds weird in English, but people say this in Spanish. Número 6, gracias de todo corazón. Gracias de todo corazón. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Next, expressing more formal gratitude. Whether you're talking to your boss or a stranger, these phrases are perfect to expressing gratitude to someone you don't know very well or just being more polite. Number 7 being le agradezco mucho. Le agradezco mucho, which literally translates to I thank you very much. And it's using the usted form to make it more formal with the le agradezco. Número 8, estoy muy agradecido o agradecida. I am very thankful for. Adjust the gender as needed. I said agradecido, and I also said agradecida. Le estoy agradecido. Le estoy agradecido. I'm thankful to you, but using that usted form by saying le. Moving on to thanking somebody for a favor or something that they did for you, these phrases are going to be perfect. Te lo agradezco. Te lo agradezco. I appreciate it. Which that one is the more informal way because I said that te in front. Te lo agradezco, which means I appreciate it. But on the flip side, making it more formal, you would say se lo agradezco. Se lo agradezco. I appreciate it. But in a more formal way using that usted. Number 12, we are on number 12. We have gracias por todo. Thank you for everything. For when you're feeling extra emotional or extra thankful, try these phrases out. Number 13, gracias mil veces. Thank you a million times. It's very similar to mil gracias, but more dramatic. Number 14, eternamente agradecido or agradecida. Eternally grateful. And finally, number 15, no sé cómo agradecerte. I don't know how to thank you. Y ese es todo, mis amores. Now you guys know 15 different ways to express your thankfulness or your gratitude this Thanksgiving season or holiday season in general. From very basic to extremely dramatic, but not necessarily dramatic in a bad way. Just really feeling emotion. If you guys liked this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video with your friends so we can add more people to nuestra comunidad. I will catch you guys next time on my channel, Everyday Español. Hasta luego.